guys, today I'm going to show you how to clean the back of your iPod Touch and the screen of your iPod Touch. As you can see, mine's blue and it has a case. So that's the case. Your iPod has to be off for this thing. So I'm going to take out my case and then clean the back of the iPod and the front of the back. And the iPod, like the screen. I bought this case at Grapevine. It's kind of hard to take off, but I gotta put your nail. And like, I already got it off. Okay. So this is how it looks like. Back. So I'm just gonna have to put my iPod out, and I did. This iPod is a second generation, and if you guys are putting comments that don't even know about iPod stuff, I do. It's just my third video of the week. So the back of the iPod. This is my back of the iPod. I'm not gonna take off the scratches, but I'm not gonna take off the scratches. So I'm gonna take a paper towel where the line is. Oh no, let's see it. Perfect square. You're gonna have to fold it this. And just put, oh yeah, you're also going to need like one of these wipey things, put it on the bottom of your iPod. And my iPod looks like. And so it looks like. So I'm going to put, let me just put it like this one in my iPod. So I'm just going to fold it like this. I just put like 3 squirts of it. So let's wipe it off. You could spray more if you want to. I would spray more if I were you. It's not going to take out the scratches. And so I'm just cleaning it now. So it's kind of awesome to clean your iPod because like when people see like when they think like it's brand new, it's you got it from eBay. I got mine from eBay, and I'm done. Okay, now it looks like there's still some scratches, but from far back looks new. Yep. Now I'm gonna set it in the thingy. Set it, and I'm gonna just clean the front of it right now so fast because time's supposed to run out. I'm gonna do it. You have to do like 10 times to like go 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So then you're gonna take out your case. Try putting the case. And you have to wipe it the front of the screen so it can. And I put the case back and I used window cleaners. And so now the back of my screen of the iPod. This is gonna be faster because this took 6 minutes. It's counting 6 minutes. Let's go. Oops. And that's just how my iPod turned out. Besides the back. So subscribe, leave a comment, and a bye.